Okay, boys and girls, here we're going to begin Chapter 6. We're going to be looking at and studying metabolism. Basically, what it takes to make things and break things in your cells. Now keep in mind, when we're talking metabolism, when we're talking energy, okay, we're not talking energy like electricity, like this light bulb. No, what we're talking about is the energy, the ability to do work. Energy that's going to be saved in the carbon-carbon bonds or the carbon-phosphate bonds. It takes energy to make those covalent bonds, thus when you break them, we're going to get some of that energy back. In biology, when we study energy, we refer to this as bioenergetics, life energy. Where is it coming? Where is it going? Ultimately, we know in biology, all energy starts with the sun. Photonic energy bombarding plants, specifically the chlorophylls in plants, will excite specific chlorophyll molecules in the chloroplast, which will then, through many reactions, result in sugars. Exactly how that happens, we'll talk about in 2 chapters. Now, lots and lots of people who are not scientists like to use the word metabolism. Oh, my metabolism's slow. Oh, my metabolism. But we never actually think about what this means. When it comes right down to it, your metabolism or your cell's metabolism is the sum total of all reactions occurring. The making of things, the breaking of things, the building up, the digesting down, the dehydration reactions to link two things together, the hydrolysis reaction to break them. Now, when it comes right down to it, your metabolism is not magic. Okay? You do not have a magic wand inside of all your cells that just goes poof, and there you go. Everything you could need made for you. Everything that needs to go away disposed of. Things have to be built up slowly. Slowly, relative speaking. Have to do it step by step by step by step. This stepwise fashion to build things up or to take big things and break them down. That's your metabolism. So it has to be done stepwise, one step after another in a series. Early scientists picture this in their mind as literally steps that have to be taken one after another, and it reminded them of pathways in gardens. Nowadays we just put down, mulch, or we just put down, concrete. There's your walkway. But it used to be you would put down a stone, a stone, a stone, a stone, and that's where you stepped as you walked through the garden. A specific pathway, specific steps that have to be taken. So keeping that in mind, the pathways are specific steps. Let's talk about what makes up these pathways. First off, we have to discuss the fact that the pathways are going to come in 2 distinct groups. Okay? Those that build, those that break down. Those that build are known as anabolic. Anabolic take the small subunits we talked about back in, chapter 4, links them together to make larger things. Best way, I know it's going to be stupid, best way to think about it, anabolic steroids. Anabolic means it builds up the muscles. Shrinks other things, but we're not going to talk about that today. Builds things up. Okay. Catabolic is our second group. Anything that anabolic builds, catabolic breaks down. So the big structure gets taken apart piece by piece by piece by piece. Build it up, break it down. That's your metabolism.